Today's topic on the Brodeurland Show is coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. You see, Henry Ford is one of those masters in cooperation. I mean, he made the assembly line, right? And you talk about somebody that took something new, had to get everybody on board, everybody working in sync to create a successful system. That's hard work, especially when change doesn't come easy. I mean, change is frightening, especially when you don't have 100% control over something, correct? I mean, how do you take cooperation and how do you really get it to work? Especially with human nature where we have tons of questions and tons of concerns. Well, just like Henry Ford, he gave everybody a vital role, a specific role, and showed you matter. Without you, there's a missing link to the chain. And that's very important in really fostering and being cooperative and getting everybody involved. So always remember, you make each day a special day by just you being you. There's no one in the whole world like you except you, and I like you just the way you are. It's good that you exist, but you've got to go out there. You've got to show people that they're valued, that they have a voice, as well as being real yourself, being authentic, and showing that humility as you march forward to allow cooperation to live in your life. That way you can become that best version of yourself. So until next time, Broder out. Peace.